Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in Palia. To begin your flight, simply jump into the air and then press the jump button a second time. This will deploy your glider, allowing you to soar gracefully through the air. Remember that gliding uses your stamina, so keep a close eye on your stamina bar. Starting from high points or catching an updraft will help you travel further and reach new areas with ease. Once airborne, controlling your glider is intuitive. Use your standard movement keys to steer left, right, forward, and backward. To gain speed and descend more quickly, simply point your camera downwards. Conversely, pointing your camera upwards will slow your descent, allowing you to cover more horizontal distance. Always be on the lookout for wind currents. They are your best friend for extending your flight. For more advanced maneuvers, try combining your glider with other traversal tools. You can seamlessly transition from a glide onto a zip line or use bounce pads to launch yourself hundreds of feet into the air for a fresh start. Practicing precise landings will greatly improve your overall navigation. The glider is also perfect for scouting new areas and spotting valuable resources from above. To make the most of your glider, always aim to launch from the highest possible elevation. This gives you the maximum airtime and distance. Keep a close watch on your stamina. It will slowly regenerate when you are on the ground or climbing. Consider upgrading your stamina bar through various in-game activities to enjoy even longer and more adventurous flights across Palia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.